Sir Dana Batnag, GG Press. I just want to clarify, because I think rebellion has two elements, public uprising and withdrawal of allegiance. So you're saying the making of armored vehicles constitute public uprising, and massing up of armed men is equivalent to public uprising?
No, public uprising is constituted by the presence of armed groups in the different parts of Mindanao, as enumerated earlier, which have positioned themselves to prevent lawful authority from exercising their functions, the closing of the municipalities and the prevention of public services, the frustration of the legal process in their respective areas, and of course the use of vehicles that really constitute elements of a separate army other than the Republic of the Philippines forces. And then the allegiance of these individuals are clearly no longer with the Republic of the Philippines, since they have severed themselves from the chain of command and they have severed themselves from the lawful authorities that are supervising them.
So you're saying massing up is equivalent to public uprising. You don't have to go out in the streets and kill people. And
there have been shooting incidents, no, between these groups and the Philippine National Police, for example. So they have gone beyond just standing together in a crowd. You know, number one, they have refused to follow lawful authority in terms of the disbandment of their groups and the surrender of their firearms. Number two, they have positioned themselves in the municipalities to prevent the entry of lawful forces, and they've engaged in actual firefight with some of the uniformed services of the Republic of the Philippines. So that constitutes, I think, a new allegiance.
And I just want to clarify, what's the difference between withdrawal of allegiance and obstruction of justice and refusal to obey orders?
Obstruction of justice is, I guess, a more limited thing, and of course the Secretary of Justice can give you the legal definitions here. But actually, if it is a mere obstruction of justice, you would be obstructing one act or a number of acts that is in the exercise of justice. These are isolated, not widespread, not constituting a pattern, and not based upon an organized effort to frustrate the laws of the land. No? So we are in the latter situation now, or after the arrest of Dat Unsay, the reports from the law enforcers on the ground were that the situation had transformed already into the latter situation.
So you're saying there's no need to actually say we withdraw our allegiance from President Arroyo, we are calling for a separatist region. Simply refusing to obey orders is withdrawal of allegiance?
Well, there is a declaration by word and declaration by deed. So you don't have to specifically be asked to write it down. You know, if you shoot at somebody and there are 1,000 of you, and you have prevented legal authorities to even enter a particular section of the province, then I think that speaks for itself.
Thank you.